Imagine this. You wake up before the world stirs. Your day planned, your actions purposeful. You're not merely living, you're evolving. This isn't a fantasy. Monk mode. 30 days to reset your life. And here's why you need it. The world's changed. We're wired for distraction. Endless scrolling, dopamine hits, constant comparison, overstimulation. Our attention span's shrinking, clarity fading. Many overthink, overeat, seek comfort in instant pleasures. Right. But beneath that noise lies a powerful version of you. Clear, focused, unshakable. And that's who monk mode is for. It's an ancient path, modernized. A 30-day challenge to cut through the noise and find your focus. What if in 30 days you could evolve mentally, physically, spiritually? What if you could leave behind the old you, reactive, distracted, unclear, and emerge focused, calm, powerful? That's what monk mode offers. To achieve your goals, overcome distractions, and step into your potential. Monk mode is your tool. But first, why do you need this mode? To thrive in today's world, you need laser focus and unwavering discipline. It's about becoming the architect of your life, designing each day with intention, purpose, and focus. Speak less, reflect more. Silence builds clarity. It's about reclaiming your life from the noise and chaos, from the endless distractions and shallow pleasures. Eat whole foods, fruits, vegetables, proteins, eliminate sugar and processed foods. It's your secret weapon for growth. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. The cleaner the body, the sharper the mind. So how do you enter this mode? By understanding its core pillars. They are solitude and silence, digital detox, clean diet, and hydration. Early waking and rest discipline, daily deep work, journaling and self-dialogue, physical training, and finally, cold showers and no comfort seeking. Discipline in motion breeds discipline in thought. Embrace discomfort. Let it forge your edge. Don't seek comfort. Let life sharpen you. Deep work is where focus meets flow. Your attention is your most precious resource. Guard it fiercely. Speak to yourself with love and truth. Your journal, your truth. These pillars form the DNA of monk mode. Each one is essential in sculpting your focused life. Let's dive deeper into each one. 1. Solitude and silence. Spend time alone. It's not about loneliness, but about listening to your soul. Reflect like a sage. Your senses are your connection to the present moment. 2. Digital detox. Delete social media. Turn off notifications. Limit screen time. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. Every dot on your tracker is a step closer to your true self. 3. Clean diet and hydration. Each week brings a new level of depth and challenge. You'll stop reacting to life and start creating the life you desire. You ready to dive in? You'll walk with more peace, speak with more power, and live with more purpose. You'll rediscover the joy in simplicity, the strength in silence, and the power in your own company. This is your digital sanctuary, a place for those ready to evolve. 4. Early waking and rest discipline. Wake up before the world, ideally at 5 a.m. Sleep by 10 p.m. Safeguard your sleep. Who choose stillness over small pleasures. Who value focus above fleeting entertainment. Embrace the feeling of doing less, being less attached to outcomes. Each day is a step towards clarity, focus, and growth. Beneath those layers is a diamond waiting to be unearthed. Whether it's sticking to your morning routine, resisting the urge to check social media, or pushing through a tough workout, every small win counts. To reclaim your focus and live a life on your terms, dedicate to hours to focused work. Eat clean, journal, exercise, and read for 30 minutes. This is your routine. Stick to it. Start focusing on your sleep, water intake, moments of solitude, and silence. Listen to your body. It's healing. You're building a new identity, one that's focused, disciplined, and driven. Challenge weak beliefs. Eliminate negative self-talk. Speak positive affirmations. You have a purpose, a mission that awaits your focused attention. Write them down. Repeat them. Embrace boredom. It's where creativity is born. Fast from instant pleasure. Delay gratification. This is where mental strength is forged. 5. Daily deep work. No distractions. Just you and a task. 90 minutes of intense focus. Create, learn, build. 6. Journaling and self-dialogue. Every night, journal your day. Reflect, process, release. 7. Physical training. Train daily. It can be walking, strength work, yoga, running. 8. Cold showers and no comfort seeking. Start your day with a cold shower. These aren't mere habits, they are identity tools. Living this way isn't a sacrifice. It's an investment in yourself. Now, let's map out your 30-day journey. Welcome to your 30-day monk mode transformation, your path to rewiring your life. For the next 4 weeks, we'll follow 8 pillars that define monk mode. Week 1. Detox your mind. Begin by cutting out distractions. Junk food, porn, social media, gossip. Week 2. Build the system. Add structure to your days. Wake at 5 a.m. Face the day with a cold shower. Week 3. Mental rewiring. Observe your thoughts. Week 4. Embody the monk. Move with presence. Speak with intention. Cut unnecessary conversations. Practice deep gratitude. Throughout these 4 weeks, track your habits. Be brutally honest with yourself. Every week is a progression, a deepening of your commitment to yourself. Embrace the discomfort. It's a sign you're growing. It won't be easy, but nothing worthwhile ever is. At the end of this 30-day journey, you'll stand taller. But that's not all. Monk mode isn't just about what you gain. It's about what you'll become. So why wait? Dive in. Your journey to becoming the focused few starts today. Remember, you are not the average person. You're part of the focused few. If this journey resonates with you, hit subscribe. Monk mode is for those who dare to disconnect, to truly connect. It's for you. It's for the seeker, the builder, the one who refuses to settle for ordinary life. If that's you, welcome to the focused few. Together, you'll navigate this transformative journey. Trust the process. Embrace the challenges. Celebrate the wins. It's not about perfection. It's about consistent effort. Remember, the world needs your unique light. The noise and distractions are there to hold you back. But you're not average. You're extraordinary. Monk mode helps you shed the layers of societal programming, of distraction, and instant gratification. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to step into your power, ready to take the first step. It's as simple as pressing play. Welcome to the focused few.